using Snap&Read with a PDF. The first thing you're going to want to do is locate the Snap&Read extension in your bar. Then select PDF Reader. As you'll notice, it takes a few seconds for this to load. Now I'm giving the option as to where to load my PDF from: Drive, OneDrive, QR code, or My Device. This time I'm choosing My Device. The PDF I want to open, select it, and select Open. Now Snap&Read will open the PDF in the PDF Reader. Unfortunately, this time my toolbar did not show up, so I'm going to have to go back to Snap&Read and click Reload. I choose the same option from where to load it from. This time, once again, I'm going to choose My Device. You'll notice that my toolbar popped up on the right-hand side. I'm going to open up my document. Now, as you'll notice, my Snap&Read is on the right-hand side, and my document is loaded. I'm going to scroll down and select the speaker, and then go over and choose where I want to start reading.
To many New Yorkers, the city felt like the center of the world, a place of business and culture, a place where anything could happen.
Now I'm going to click off my speaker in order to have it stop reading, and I'm going to select my OCR tool. I'm going to be careful with how I align the tool to make sure that I incorporate all of the text. It's going to take a moment for it to OCR the text, and then it will start to read.
One girl's incredible story of survival and healing in the wake of September 1, ER's puns.
I wanted to take out a moment to point out this text that the publisher has decided to tilt. Unfortunately, because it is tilted, neither the PDF reader nor the OCR will be able to read it to the student. Thank you.